Hey, and welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio. Today I want to talk about the power of user-generated content and how it can help small businesses like yours succeed online.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
As a small business owner, you know that standing out in today's crowded and competitive digital landscape can be rather tough. But there's one secret weapon that can help you cut through the noise and reach your audience in a meaningful way. User-generated content. But what is user-generated content, you might ask? Simply put, it's any content that is crafted and shared by the users of your product or service. This can include reviews, testimonials, social media posts, and so much more. Now, I know what you're thinking. You might be worried that relying on your customers to create content for you is kind of risky, or that you won't have enough control over that message. But let me tell you, the benefits of using user-generated content far outweigh any potential drawbacks. First of all, user-generated content adds authenticity and credibility to your brand. When potential customers see that real people are using and enjoying your product, it helps you build trust and encourages them to make a purchase. User-generated content can also be more relatable and engaging than traditional content, as it often comes from real people with similar interests and experiences. User-generated content isn't just good for building trust and engagement, though. It can also help drive traffic and sales to your business. By sharing user-generated content on your social media channels, you can expose your brand to a much wider audience and potentially attract new customers. User-generated content can also help increase your search engine rankings because search engines are often prioritizing fresh and relevant content. Now, I want to share a personal story with you about how user-generated content helped one of my clients succeed online. They run a consulting business. When we first started working together, my client's social media channels were relatively inactive, and they were struggling to reach their target audience. We decided by incorporating user-generated content into their marketing, and wow, the results were amazing. By encouraging their customers to share their experiences with the business on social media, and they started leaving reviews on their website, my client was able to increase their online presence and attract new business. It was a game changer for them. So, if you're a small business owner looking to promote your products or your services online, I highly recommend giving user-generated content a try. It may seem intimidating at first, but the benefits, I promise you, are absolutely worth it. And remember, the best way to get started is by talking to your customers and encouraging them to share their experiences with your brand. Don't be afraid to ask your customers for their thoughts and feedback. You never know. Their words could be the key to your online success. So thanks for listening to this episode. I hope this has inspired you to start using user-generated content to promote your small business.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.